wheel rotation and balance are services that should be performed at specific intervals. Ignore this maintenance, and you can risk vibration and costly irregular tire wear. On the road, imbalance forces can cause the wheel to hop up and down. This hopping may cause vibration, and with the tire pounding the pavement, cupping wear may develop on the tread. If it's been too long for your car, let us rotate the tires and balance the wheels. We use nothing but the best digital systems, equipped with Hunter's Smart Weight balancing technology. We can eliminate your wheel imbalance vibration and help prevent future irregular tire wear. Accurate wheel balance is important, so don't let your tires end up here, way before their time. Regain that new car's smooth ride and protect your tire investment. See our service writer today and ask about our Smart Weight wheel balancing service.